Welcome back. In this section, we'll be talking about 5 hazardous attitudes and the antidotes to those particular attitudes. An attitude is a motivational predisposition to respond to people, situations, and events. These attitudes can affect the quality of a decision. The FAA has identified 5 hazardous attitudes to aviation: anti-authority, impulsivity, invulnerability, macho or machoism, and resignation. It is important to note that the recognition of hazardous thoughts is the first step towards neutralizing them. The anti-authority attitude. These are the people that are going to say something like, "Don't tell me what to do." This attitude is found in people who do not like anyone telling them what to do. In a sense, they are saying, "No one can tell me what to do." They may be resentful of having someone tell them what to do, or they may disregard rules, regulations, and procedures as silly or unnecessary. In the end, it's always your prerogative to question authority if you feel it is in error. The antidote to this type of attitude or thought pattern is follow the rules. They are usually right. Impulsivity is an attitude in which people typically say something like, "Do it quickly, do it now." This is an attitude of people who frequently feel the need to do something, anything, immediately. They do not stop to think about what they are about to do. They do not select the best alternative, and they do the first thing that comes to mind. The antidote to the impulsivity is not so fast. Think first. Look before you leap. Invulnerability attitude. These are the people that are going to say, "It won't happen to me." Many people falsely believe that accidents happen to others, but never to them. They know accidents can happen, and they know that anyone can be affected. However, they never really feel or believe that they will be personally involved. Pilots who think this way are more likely to take chances and increase risk. The antidote to this is, "It could happen to me." Macho or machoism. These are the people that are going to say, "Hey, I can do it. I'll prove it." Pilots with this type of attitude will try to prove themselves by taking risks in order to impress others. It is important to note that while this pattern of thinking is thought to be a male characteristic, women are equally susceptible. The antidote to this attitude is, taking chances is foolish. And the last hazardous attitude is resignation. These are the people that are going to say, "What's the use?" Pilots who think, "What's the use?" do not see themselves as being able to make a great deal of difference in what happens to them. When things go well, the pilot is apt to think that it's good luck. When things go badly, the pilot may feel that someone is out to get them or attribute it to bad luck. Oftentimes, the pilot will leave the action to others, for better or worse. Sometimes these pilots will even go along with unreasonable requests just to be a nice guy. The antidote to this attitude is, "I'm not helpless. I can make a difference."